DJI's Osmo Pocket series has consistently set the benchmark for portable, gimbal-stabilized cameras, earning its place as a favorite among vloggers, travelers, and creators. Combining professional-grade video capabilities with a design compact enough to fit in your pocket, these devices have bridged the gap between convenience and high-quality content creation. With the launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in October 2023, significant upgrades like a larger 1-inch sensor, a 2-inch screen, and a vertical shooting mode elevated the user experience. Now, speculation about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has begun, and rumors suggest a host of exciting features that could further redefine handheld videography. Leaked details indicate that the Pocket 4 might adopt a slightly bulkier frame compared to its predecessor, measuring approximately 140 by 43 by 35 millimeters and weighing 190 grams. This size increase accommodates a redesigned ergonomic grip for more comfortable handling during extended shoots. One of the standout enhancements is the rumored 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, offering a resolution of 480 by 800 and 800 nits of brightness. This marks a substantial improvement over the Pocket 3's 2-inch display, addressing previous user feedback about better visibility and usability in bright conditions. The rotating mechanism allows users to frame shots effortlessly, whether shooting in landscape or portrait mode. Additionally, the revamped button layout aims to make one-handed operation even more intuitive, ensuring creators can focus on capturing the moment rather than fiddling with controls. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This combination promises exceptional image quality, capturing sharp, vibrant details with a wide dynamic range. The camera is said to support an ISO range of 50 to 6,400 for videos and up to 16,000 for low-light photography, making it well-suited for various lighting conditions. Notable upgrades include 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M support, and HDR capabilities, giving filmmakers more flexibility in post-production. The minimum focusing distance remains at 0.2 meters, but updated autofocus technology could ensure quicker and more accurate subject tracking. A more robust processor is rumored to enable higher data rates and advanced computational photography features, ensuring smoother operation even during demanding tasks. DJI's anticipated Pocket 4 could introduce groundbreaking functionalities aimed at creators seeking professional results. Active Track 7.0, an evolution of DJI's subject tracking technology, is expected to combine phase detection with eye tracking for unparalleled accuracy in following moving subjects. This upgrade could eliminate the minor focus hunting issues experienced with the Pocket 3. Additionally, an enhanced gimbal system is rumored to pair with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, promising unparalleled steadiness even during vigorous movements. DJI might also expand the accessory ecosystem with items like an external battery pack, waterproof housing, and a professional-grade ND filter kit to meet diverse shooting needs. Wireless capabilities could receive a major boost, enabling faster file transfers and more reliable live streaming. Rumored AI-powered features like advanced scene recognition, subject identification, and automated editing suggestions further underscore DJI's commitment to simplifying the creative process for solo content creators. Performance-wise, the DJI Pocket 4 seems set to raise the bar for what portable cameras can achieve. Reports suggest the ability to record 4K video at an astounding 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of its predecessor. This advancement offers creators more room to experiment with dynamic and cinematic shots. Improvements to the sensor and processing power should translate to enhanced low-light performance and more accurate color reproduction. The rumored inclusion of real-time HDR previews would allow users to visualize the final output directly on the screen, eliminating guesswork. Furthermore, noise reduction algorithms are expected to be refined, producing cleaner images and videos in challenging lighting scenarios. Battery life is another area where the Pocket 4 might shine. While specific details about battery capacity remain under wraps, it's expected to exceed the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh capacity. DJI may incorporate improved power management systems that support longer recording sessions despite the increased demands of a larger screen and more powerful processor. A major highlight could be reduced charging times, with the DJI PD charger rumored to cut recharge durations to just 25 minutes. This enhancement would be a boon for creators on tight schedules, allowing them to get back to shooting faster. Additionally, improved heat dissipation systems might prevent overheating during prolonged use, ensuring reliable performance even under strenuous conditions. Based on DJI's release history, the Osmo Pocket 4 is speculated to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, maintaining the 3-year gap seen between previous generations. The rumored price points, $699 for the standard version and $799 for the creator combo, place it firmly in the premium segment. This pricing reflects the advanced features and technology packed into the device, targeting serious content creators who demand the best. The timing of this release aligns with anticipated advancements in sensor technology and processing power, allowing DJI to deliver a truly next-generation device. For now, the Pocket 3 continues to dominate the market, providing an excellent option for those unwilling to wait for the Pocket 4. For professionals and avid content creators, the rumored upgrades make the Pocket 4 an enticing prospect. The larger screen, improved stabilization, and higher frame rates cater to creators seeking the best tools for their craft. However, the increased price point and longer wait time might deter casual users who are satisfied with the current Pocket 3's capabilities. Those in need of an immediate solution will find the Pocket 3 more than capable, especially given its availability at competitive prices. On the other hand, creators who prioritize cutting-edge features and are willing to invest in premium tools might find the wait for the Pocket 4 worthwhile. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a significant leap forward in portable camera technology. Its rumored features suggest a thoughtful blend of innovation and usability, designed to appeal to both enthusiasts and professionals. From a larger, brighter display to advanced stabilization and AI-driven features, the Pocket 4 promises to deliver a seamless shooting experience. While the exact specifications and release details remain unconfirmed, the buzz surrounding the Pocket 4 highlights its potential to once again redefine what a pocket-sized camera can achieve. For now, creators and tech enthusiasts can only wait in anticipation for DJI's official announcement. Are you excited about the DJI Pocket 4? Which features are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and content.